friends, it's Miss Cat again, here from the Wetaskiwin Public Library with another craft video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hovercraft. What you will need for this craft is a pair of sharp scissors, some balloons, markers, some caps, some CDs, and a hot glue gun. The first step to this craft is decorating your CD however you want. You can do various designs on your hovercraft. The next step is to find your caps. The safest way to do this is to find an old dish soap cap. If that's not readily available to you, you can find other caps that are in various sizes. Get an adult to help you poke holes and then glue them together. Our next step is to use our hot glue gun to glue the caps to the CDs, just like this. You may notice in your caps that the holes might be different sizes. If you have a larger hole, the air will flow out faster, and if you have a smaller hole, the air will flow out slower. At the beginning of the video, we forgot to mention that you will also need a toilet paper roll that you can cut in half, and then also cut a seam down the edge there. Once your toilet paper roll is cut to size and ready, you can decorate it however you like. Next step is to grab your balloon and blow it up. Once you have your balloon blown up, you're going to take the end and give it a couple twists and then place it onto your hovercraft, just like that. Once your hovercrafts are complete, it's time to take them to the streets. And by streets, I mean a smooth table or floor. This is what your hovercraft should look like once they're complete. Thanks for watching Crafts with Miss Cat at the Wetaskiwin Public Library.